What if I told you this parrot can understand and mimic human speech almost perfectly? Deep within a vast tropical rainforest, where golden sunlight pierces through morning mist, one of the smartest birds on Earth begins its day. Hidden among dense green leaves, it watches silently, its bright yellow head barely visible. Slowly, it steps forward onto a branch, revealing its vibrant colors to the world. Up close, its eye tells a story of intelligence, awareness, and curiosity. Perched high above the forest floor, it observes everything around it. In an instant, it takes flight, moving effortlessly through the trees with precision and control. Its voice echoes through the jungle, expressive and complex, almost as if it's trying to speak. Curious by nature, it constantly studies its surroundings, always learning. With impressive coordination, it grips fruit using both its beak and claw. Even the smallest details matter as it carefully bites into its food with precision. But this parrot is not alone. It forms strong social bonds, sharing moments with others of its kind. Through gentle interaction, these parrots communicate and build trust. Together, they move across the sky, their calls filling the air. When it's time to rest, it searches for a safe place to call home. Deep inside a hollow tree, a new life begins. Hidden in the shadows, small eggs wait quietly. Soon, tiny chicks emerge, fragile and dependent. With care and patience, the parent feeds and protects its young. The next generation watches closely, learning everything it needs to survive. Step by step, they begin to explore the world around them. But life in the wild is not without danger. Forests are changing, and safe habitats are disappearing. Some parrots are left in places that no longer feel like home. Empty nests and broken trees tell a silent story of loss. Yet, even in these challenges, there is hope. People are working to protect these intelligent birds and restore their environment. And slowly, the forest begins to heal. Once again, the Amazon parrot takes to the skies, free and strong. In the golden light of sunset, its colors shine brighter than ever. The yellow-headed Amazon is more than just a parrot. It is a symbol of intelligence, resilience, and connection, and a powerful reminder that nature is worth protecting. And among the endless trees, their voices continue to echo, telling a story few truly understand. Every call, every movement is a sign of a mind far more advanced than it seems. The Amazon parrot is not just surviving, it is thinking, learning, and adapting. And perhaps it understands more of our world than we realize.